Yes, I am here. I'm here.
Okay.
And yes. Hi.
Hello, so Samisha, yes.
A very warm welcome to everyone present. I, Samitra, welcome you all to today's workshop conducted by SCS, Student Counseling Services, IIT BSc. SCS is celebrating Mental Wellness Week with a beautiful series of workshops. Today's workshop is about food and mental health. Everyone should be aware of the need to take care of their mental health just as they take care of their physical health. Today, I am privileged to call Dr. Umesh Wadhwani, who is a corporate wellness coach, nutritionist, mental speaker, and founder of Simply Wellness, a concept through which he aims to educate and empower people by teaching them the basics of nutrition, fitness, and mental health. He is a nutrition consultant at the Heal Institute Gaio Fitness Academy. Now I hand over the mic to you, sir. The stage is all yours now.
Thank you so much, Samiksha. Thank you so much for your warm welcome. And I really wanted to admire the fact that IIT Varanasi is taking an initiative of educating students around mental health and stuff, which is really commendable. Not a lot of institutes would do that. So first of all, kudos to that. And second, I'm really honored to be here and talk about a very unique topic because not a lot of us think that food can be associated with mental health. You know? So we will try to touch upon that. We'll try to decode the whole topic, but not in a very technical way. I'm sorry. I know I'm talking to IIT students, and I don't want to get into theory and a lot of technicalities of stuff. So I just wanted to introduce myself first of all, quickly, like in 1 minute, in like 1 minute. As Samiksha said that I am a nutritionist and a wellness coach, but before that I am a doctor, but I've never practiced medicine. I'm literally mummy papa ke sapno par dabba. I don't know if you understand the lingo. Are we all okay with Hindi, English in between? Or okay, cool. So that is what my background is. So I became a doctor in 2009. Never practiced medicine. I didn't know what to do. Told my dad I want to go to UK for higher education, but I didn't know what I want to do at that time. I did my master's in healthcare management from Oxford, and when I graduated, there was this newbie psychotherapist. He was setting up a clinic, and I was looking for a job. So it was like Rab ne bana di jodi. He was looking for a newbie. I was a newbie. We met, and I was like, okay. I started working there, but again, management was not my thing. I was a medco, and I was like, what am I doing here? But while working at that mental health clinic, I was like, wow, this is something which I never thought health could be associated with, because to it, that clinic used to treat all the mental health conditions with no medicine. And that just blew my mind. Being a doctor studying medicine, I was like, okay, medicine के बगैर भी कुछ हो सकता है. And that's where the whole bulb of wellness and mental health and fitness came to my mind, and I studied psychotherapy, I studied fitness, I studied nutrition, and since 2014, I've been involved with this hodgepodge of wellness, जहाँ पे I don't look at a human being from one angle. So if you were to come to me with a issue of weight loss, I'll be like, okay, tell me about your life, personal life में क्या चल रहा है. I want to see what the mental situation is there. If you were to come to me with a mental health scenario, I'll be like, okay, खाना क्या खाते हो मुझे बताओ. So everything is interconnected, and that's what we will be talking about today. So this is not going to be a lecture, me lecturing you about anything. This is going to be an interaction. So for interaction, the primary requirement is that two human beings should see each other. And I know throughout this 2 years, you must have heard this sentence a lot. Students, please switch your cameras on. But यहाँ पे, this is a legit requirement. Yeah. So if I can like put a gentle request, if I can see some of your faces, I love like Samiksha's face and Chitrang's face, but if I could see more of your faces, that would be awesome. That would be really awesome. That's my first request. And two, thank you so much, Mohit. Be like Mohit. And the second request is interaction can happen in chat as well. So if I ask you any questions, if I ask you any perception or any opinion, please type it in the chat. It's free. And are we charging? It's not a super chat, right? Awesome. All right. So are we all looking forward to the session? I will just take 40 minutes tops, and then the stage will be yours if you have any questions. So let's get this chat going. I want to know if you guys are looking forward to the session. We will start with just understanding your scenario. I want to just check. कभी भी ऐसा feel हुआ है that you need mental health support? How many of you feel that? Okay, sometimes I do need mental health support. And if it is too personal question, we can just run by. Okay, so Maitri is saying yes. I like it. Thank you. Okay, Chitrang is saying yes. 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 Okay. All right. So So my next question is: Do you think mental health is real, or we have just create hawa around it? Just because it's trending, let's talk about it more. Do you think it's real?
Yes, sir. It's real.
It is real, right? It's a stupid thing to ask. Okay, interesting. Do you think we should talk more about it, or it is getting saturated?
Sir, we should talk more about it. Like there's a taboo around it.
We should talk more about it. But फिर वो भी chances है ना, like this happens a lot with the shows. Like if someone is talking a lot about Money Heist, you'll be like, मुझे नहीं देखना है Money Heist because everyone is talking about it.
No,
Game of Thrones, Money Heist, Friends they have become. Okay, please. कौन बोल रहा था? Maitreyi, you were saying something?
Yes, sir. Like Money Heist is a different thing, and mental health, physical health is a different thing. So no one will get bored while talking about them.
All right, I like it. Okay. So Samruddha is saying if we talk, then only things will get clear. Yes, of course, that is the reason why we should talk about it. Now, my next question is, how many of you have seen a mental health professional, a therapist or a counselor or anyone? I know it's a very personal question. If you don't want to answer, you don't want to answer. It's completely fine. Okay, so Maitreyi has. If you don't want to answer, it's completely fine. But I start my mental health sessions with this particular 5 minutes of a bit because I just want to narrate the scenario that especially our generation, like 80s ke baad ke bacche, we have been raving about mental health. We are like, we should talk about it. Then we are like, okay, we should do something about it. But when I ask them, have you ever consulted? And the answer is, I'll give you the percentage, okay? I have like 1300 logo ka research in my thing. I'll give you the percentage. If I ask people, do you need mental health support? 80+% will be like, yes, we do sometimes. Then I ask them, do you think mental health is real? 95+%. Yeah, of course it is real. Should we talk more about it? Oh, 100%. Yes, we should talk more about it. And then I go, have you ever consulted a mental health professional? 12%, 13%. So, my next question to you all is, do you think mental health is connected with nutrition at all? Sif yes or no mein jawab, yeah? Okay, yes. Okay, so there is this character that I've created for the purpose of my workshops. The character's name is Ramu Kaka. Okay? Ramu Kaka. सबने सुना है नाम Ramu Kaka? You heard? Now, whenever think of a Ramu Kaka, you think of a servant or a chai wala or newspaper wala or doodh wala or something along that line. But I don't want to generalize Ramu Kaka here. Ramu Kaka can be an investment banker, highly educated lawyer or a medical doctor. Or it could be a chai ki tapri wala. The problem is Ramu Kaka doesn't know anything about mental health and nutrition. So, if you were to explain it to a Ramu Kaka, the connection between nutrition and mental health, how would you do that? Because you said yes, there is. So, can you explain your perception around what is that connection? But no jargons, yeah. Like Ramu Kaka को समझाना है. Anyone wants to give it a? And I'm not taking your psychological test. Yeah, कोई results नहीं है कुछ.
Sir, maybe like I can try.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, please go for it.
Sir, maybe like I can explain him like this कि जब कोई अच्छा खाना देखते हैं जो मन हेलो
हाँ, अच्छा खाना देखते हैं.
मतलब कोई भी पसंद का
Yeah.
खाना आता है तो हम लोग खुश हो जाते हैं और मन से खाते
अच्छा
हैं.
खाना देखते हैं.
लाइक उसको मन से खाते हैं तो
Again, you go.
ज्यादा खा सकते हैं
हाँ.
और इसी तरीके से कुछ मन पसंद का नहीं खाते या फिर बिल्कुल ही नहीं खाते तो और मन खराब हो जाता है.
Can you?
सर आई टाइप इट
नहीं, चित्रांग, I couldn't hear 70. Yeah, please. Okay. All right. So जब है ना, by the way, hi खुशबू, hi Pukala, नहीं Gautami. I'm seeing your face, sir. Okay. Sort of influencing him and his close friend. Anxiety का cure is coffee. काफी बड़ा statement है, by the way. Is it my internet or can you all hear me properly? Because your video, सब लोगों का video is being stuck.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
we can hear you properly, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir, your voice
Yeah, I think we're back.
Sir, maybe your internet
Okay,
connection.
now.
Maybe.
I just resetted it while we were here. अगर वापस से कुछ हुआ था, I'll restart my router. So वापस से nutrition and mental health का connection for Ramu Kaka, you were typing it, right? While Chitrang, you're still typing it, right? Now I'm not sure whether you guys can hear me. Chitrang, can you hear me? I'm really confused.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
So you're audible, but like it's lagging. Maybe you cannot
lagging.
hear our voice.
Alright.
But for all of us,
That is the
it's
problem. So
all right.
give me just 1 minute. I'll be right back. But तब तक आप लोग कुछ आप type करो chat में कि what do you think is the connection between nutrition and mental health? I'll just restart my router.
Okay, sir. Gautam, can you connect to sir? If his network is all right or not?
Okay.
Yep.
Sir, we'll be here in 5 to 6 minutes. Just wait for something.
And I'm back.
Yes.
Can you all hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am extremely sorry. I do apologize, and thank you so much for your patience. Coming back to our nutrition and mental health ka connection. Do you have any answer for Ramu Kaka now? Because a lot of you said yes. Yes, mental health and nutrition connected. Well, why it is connected? How it is connected? Don't worry, I'll tell you. But मैं जब तक आपको बता रहा हूँ तब तक all you gotta do is you gotta type in your favorite food in the chat. क्या अच्छा लगता है खाने में? Maitri, it's a very diplomatic answer, ना? Good food, good health. It's like Katrina कहते हैं अच्छी लगती है, हाँ ठीक है, अच्छी भी है पूरी. It's ना, you don't have strong opinions. She's overrated. मुंह पे बोलना चाहिए. नहीं. I'm joking. Katrina is not overrated. I don't take it personally. It's fine. All right. So when it comes to nutrition and mental health, nutrition or mental health, there are different ways they are connected to each other. सबसे पहला is raw material theory. आपको इंटरनेट की दुनिया में, मेडिकल की दुनिया में कहीं पे भी तुम्हें वो थियरी मिलेगा नहीं, बिकॉज वो मेरा ट्रेडमार्क है, अभी तक मैंने करवाया नहीं है. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट इट्स अ सिंपल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ओके, रॉ मटेरियल थियरी का मतलब ये है कि तुम्हारी बॉडी में बहुत सारे हार्मोन्स हैं. हार्मोन्स वर्ड सुना है शब्द हार्मोन्स? सो उनमें से देयर आर अ फ्यू हार्मोन्स लाइक डोपामिन एंड सेरोटोनिन. मैं टाइप करता हूँ यहाँ पे इनका नाम. सुना है इनका नाम?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can perhaps go endorphins, epinephrine. There are so many different hormones, but the reason why I'm talking about these hormones is because these are the hormones, they manage your mental well-being. So when the dopamine gets released in your body, you feel good. There are so many things that would release dopamine. अच्छी भी चीजें हैं, बुरी भी चीजें हैं. So अच्छी चीजें like when you go to exercise or when you go for a walk, when you watch your favorite show, exam में अच्छा result है, so dopamine is associated with your reward. So when you do something rewardful, तुम्हें dopamine release होगा, you'll feel good. Serotonin is essential hormones for your mental. जो अच्छा happy stage है ना, उसको maintain करने का काम serotonin का है. Okay. Then oxytocin is another hormone when you are with your loved one, mom, dad, boyfriend, girlfriend, if you are with your pet, जहाँ पे भी प्यार आता है ना, वहाँ पे oxytocin release होता है and you feel good. So these are the hormones which are managing your mental health. ठीक है? और ये सारे hormones है ना, they are made from one particular nutrient. और वो न्यूट्रिएंट का नाम है प्रोटीन. सुना है प्रोटीन? ऐसे आंखें बंद करके प्रोटीन के बारे में सोचेंगे तो क्या आता है दिमाग में? जिम, ओके. नॉनवेज,
Sprouts.
दाल, स्प्राउट्स, सोया, पनीर, दाल. खुशबू, गौतमी एंड गौरव, आई एम सॉरी आप लोगों को लिए डिसअपॉइंटेड न्यूज है. दाल इज नॉट प्रोटीन. प्लीज टेक हर आउट फ्रॉम दैट लिस्ट. ओके, इट्स अ वेरी ओल्ड स्कूल थॉट कमिंग बहुत सालों से, एंड आई रियली वांट टू टेक दैट अवे बिकॉज, एंड वी विल टॉक अबाउट इट इफ यू हैव टाइम अराउंड इट, है ना, थोड़ी देर. बट दाल प्रोटीन इज नॉट ओनली एसोसिएटेड विद मसल्स. The reason why it is connected with muscles is because तुम्हारे muscles are made from protein. और वो भी गलत है because let's say if this is your bicep, okay, this is your bicep, ये muscle. तुम्हें क्या लगता है how many percentage, what's the percentage of this muscle made from protein? number दो ना. 20, 29, 28, 12, 14, 2. अच्छा 2% या 5% या 20% या 12% हो तो why are you associating with this protein? अगर उसको एसोसिएट करना है मतलब वो 80, 90, 100% बनाता होता तब तुम्हारे दिमाग में प्रोटीन शुड बी मसल्स, राइट? अगर 2-5% है तो फिर क्यों एसोसिएट करना है? Do you know what I'm trying to say? So your muscles are only 16 to 17% made from protein. बाकी अच्छा तुम्हारे मसल्स में कितना परसेंट पानी है पता है? So, अगर 17% प्रोटीन है, thank you very much, 75% of your muscle is made from water. तो कभी भी पानी का सोच के तो मसल नहीं आता हमारे दिमाग में, तो प्रोटीन का सोच के मसल आ जाता है, जिम आ जाता है हमारा. No. Proteins are essential nutrients that they are the structural unit of your body. तुम्हारे बाल से लेके नाखून से लेके ऑर्गन से लेके मसल से लेके स्किन, everything is made from proteins, including your hormones. That's where the raw material theory comes in. तुम्हारी बॉडी में डोपामिन, सेरोटोनिन, ऑक्सीटोसिन, एपिनेफ्रिन, एंडोर्फिन, ये सारी चीजें सही लेवल में होना जरूरी है फॉर यू टू फील मेंटली गुड. ये लॉजिक समझ में आ रहा है? या अब ये जो चीजें हैं इनका रॉ मटेरियल इज प्रोटीन, और प्रोटीन आता है तुम्हारे खाने में से. चना, छोले, राजमा, पनीर, सोया चंक्स, चिकन, मटन, अंडा, प्रॉन्स, आलमंड्स, वॉलनट, पीनट, किनोआ, बकव्हीट. तुम्हें याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. शर्लॉक बाबा ने बोला हुआ है कि ब्रेन को इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए यूज मत करो, कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए यूज करो. ठीक है? ये प्रोटीन का जितना भी नाम बोला ना, आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू द लिस्ट, एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू सेव दैट लिस्ट, प्रिंट इट आउट, पुट इट ऑन योर फ्रिजेस and start consuming it from tomorrow onwards if you want to start looking after your mental health. Because जो chemicals तुम्हारी mental health को sane रखते हैं वो chemicals प्रोटीन में से बनते हैं. And if you don't consume enough protein, your body won't produce those hormones, and that's where your struggle with mental health comes in. Because when we are talking about mental health, What are we talking? We are talking about stress, anxiety, depression, irritation, overthinking, anger, sleeplessness, binge eating. What else? Procrastination. पर ये सारी चीजें तो हर किसी को थोड़ी होती रहती है ना. बट किसी को 6-7 महीने तक, 1 साल तक हो रही है. That's where the problem starts. और वो क्यों होगी? लाइक पर्सन ए, पर्सन बी, पर्सन ए का एग्जाम और पर्सन बी का एग्जाम सेम डेट पे, सेम दिनों के बाद आ रहा है. पर्सन ए का न्यूट्रिशन इज ऑन पॉइंट, पर्सन बी का न्यूट्रिशन इज मे. पर्सन बी इज more likely to get stressed about the same exam on the same freaking day compared to person A because of the raw material. Is it simple to understand? Am I getting too technical? All right. So first,
we are understanding, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, we are understanding.
Awesome, amazing. तो पहला तुम सब लोगों के लिए टिप ये है कि फिगर आउट हाउ मच प्रोटीन्स यू नीड एवरी डे. एंड आई एम श्योर सम ऑफ यू मे नो दैट टू कि हाँ इतना ये तो कोई फॉर्मूला है. बट इफ आई वाज टू आस्क कि कितने लोग रोज का अपना डेली रिक्वायरमेंट खाते हैं, आई रियली डाउट कि कितने लोग हाँ बोलने वाले हैं. सो नो टेस्ट. मैं अभी फॉर्मूला दे रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. पर कितने लोगों को पता है कि हाउ मच प्रोटीन यू नीड एवरी डे? अब कोई बोलेगा नहीं बिकॉज मुझे पता है, क्योंकि द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी कि डू यू कंज्यूम इट एंड विल लाइक पॉइंट इट हो जाएगी.
सर आई थिंक जितना हमारा वेट होता है ना, जैसे मेरा 50 kg वेट है तो मुझे 50 ग्राम प्रोटीन चाहिए एवरी डे. Am I right?
Awesome, amazing. Yes. So Mohit, or for everyone, that's the base. 1 gram per kg of your body weight. इतना तो चाहिए ही चाहिए for the optimal health. वो चेंज होगा डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर रिक्वायरमेंट. सो अगर मोहित को वेट गेन करना है, if he wants to be muscular, it can go up to 3 grams per kg. तो अगर वो 50 kg का है तो उसको 150 ग्राम तक भी चाहिए हो सकता है, पर 50 तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. जब तक तुम वो नहीं खाओगे ना, let's say a lot of people suffer from hair loss या hair fall या skin issues, right? Now skin and hair, they are made from keratin, है ना? और ये तुम्हारी बॉडी के लिए वाइटल नहीं है. बाल टूट गया तो कोई मरने वाला नहीं है. इट्स नॉट वाइटल फॉर योर बॉडी. तो तुम let's say तुम्हें 60 ग्राम प्रोटीन चाहिए दिन का और तुम 20 ग्राम खा रहे हो, तो तुम्हारा 20 ग्राम तुम्हारे एसेंशियल चीजों के लिए लगाएगा बॉडी, बालों के लिए नहीं लगाएगा. एंड दैट्स व्हेयर द हेयर फॉल स्टार्ट्स. योर हेयर विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग ब्रिटल, है ना? सो दैट्स द ऑप्टिमल मिनिमम थिंग. दैट्स व्हाट यू नीड. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू चेक व्हाट योर बॉडी वेट इज, see what your physical activity levels are. If you work out, it can go up to 2 gram, 3 gram a day, but minimum तो आपको खाना ही खाना है, which is 1 gram per kg of your body weight. 50 किलो के हो तो 50 ग्राम, 60 किलो के हो तो 60 ग्राम. How are you gonna know कि कहाँ से मिलेगा? I'll send you the list. उसमें से कैसे पता चलेगा कि कितना खाना है? Don't worry. वो लिस्ट में 3 कॉलम्स है. पहले में लिखा होगा प्रोटीन का नाम, let's say पनीर. दूसरे कॉलम में होगा उसके 100 ग्राम में तुम्हें कितना प्रोटीन मिलता है. फिर तो आईआईटी में हो यार, प्राइमरी स्कूल लेवल का गणित तो करना पड़ेगा तो, है ना? सो बट कैन आई गेट सम प्रॉमिसेस दैट यू वुड डू दैट? बिकॉज मेहनत लगता है यार वो सारे चार्ट पार्ट बनाने में. तो अगर मैं तुम लोगों को हेल्प दे रहा हूँ तो यू शुड ट्राई इम्प्लीमेंटिंग इट. ओके, ऑसम. ऑलराइट, आर वी हैविंग अ गुड टाइम सो फार? 20 minutes to go. Awesome,
Yes.
awesome. All right. So, ये हो गया तुम्हारा रॉ मटेरियल. इट्स लाइक तुम्हारी बॉडी में मशीनरी है. मशीनरी में से कुछ हार्मोन्स प्रोड्यूस करने हैं जो तुम्हें मेंटली गुड फील करवाएंगे, और उसका जो रॉ मटेरियल है वो तुम्हारे प्रोटीन में सारा है ना. जो मशीनरी है ना, उसको अच्छे से काम करने के लिए ऑयलिंग भी लगता है, मेंटेनेंस लगता है, यू नो. एक एनवायरनमेंट देना पड़ेगा ना. रूम टेम्परेचर अच्छा होना चाहिए and all that. A good, clean, neat environment. And that good, neat, clean lubrication environment जाता है तुम्हारे fats में. Now, आई नो फैट्स का इमेज इज वेरी नेगेटिव तुम सबके दिमाग में. अगर आंखें बंद करके तुम वापस से सोचोगे ना, यू विल लाइक यू नेवर सी अ हीरो, यू ऑलवेज सी अ विलन. मोगैम्बो या जोकर या यही कुछ आ रहा है तुम्हारे दिमाग में. आई अंडरस्टैंड, but we will touch upon it in a sec. My question is, there is one thing that all of Indian mothers have told us. हम सबको बचपन में बोला गया है ये चीज. मम्मी बोलती है. It is associated with our memory. Memory. बेटा बादाम खा ले, याददाश्त अच्छी रहेगी, है ना? Like every Indian mother, it doesn't matter what state, what part of India you are from, what part of world you are from. Like third, fourth generation in the UK, Canada, उनकी मम्मियाँ भी बोलती रहती हैं, बेटा बादाम खा ले, याददाश्त अच्छी रहेगी. Okay? अखरोट too, yes, अखरोट is a pseudo rational science, right? अखरोट को खोल के देखोगे तो वो ब्रेन की तरह दिखता है, तो it's good for your brain. टमाटर लाल है तो गुड फॉर योर ब्लड. बीटरूट में से लाल जूस निकल, इट्स अ सूडो रैशनल साइंस. कहीं पे तुक्का सही पड़ जाता है, कहीं पे नहीं पड़ता है. तो कमिंग बैक टू योर almonds and walnuts and peanuts and pistachios and hazelnuts and all the types of nuts and all the types of seeds, sesame seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, all the seeds, they all are really good sources of fat, including your oils. Sunflower oil, sesame seed oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, ghee, butter, and then there is this new market में एक नया बंदा जो आया हुआ है. I call him Karthik Aryan of fats. Avocado. You know, like some people like him, some people don't like him. It's कहीं पे accessible है, कहीं लोग जानते ही नहीं है कि कौन है. You know, so these are extremely important. Badam is good for your memory because badam में essential fatty acids होते हैं which are good for your brain functioning. And वहाँ से वो chemicals निकलते हैं. ठीक है? The second point is you have to consume healthy fats every day. यहाँ पे आता है positive and negative, good bad fats, है ना? कहीं पे भी like this is again a very diplomatic question, diplomatic answer आता है. What do you think about fats? Sir, there are good fats, there are bad fats. This is a very classic answer that I get. Na? So, what do you think are the bad fats? Examples दो जरा मुझे. खाने में से, of course, चित्रांग. Belly fat is something which is saturated fat. Thank you, Harsh. Saturated fat. So, that is again बहुत सालों से हमारी ही प्रजाति ने, जो डॉक्टर लोग हैं ना, उन्होंने ही saturated fats और कोलेस्ट्रॉल को bad image दिया हुआ है. But it's not necessarily true. All the naturally occurring fats are good for your body as long as you are consuming them in right amount. And unfortunately, fats के लिए मेरे पास कोई simple formula नहीं है for you to calculate it for you, because that can differ upon so many different things. यहाँ पे blood reports आएंगे, यहाँ पे आपका personalized वो आएगा. तो यहाँ पे I can't give you, but as long as you are consuming healthy fats, saturated or unsaturated, in right amount, they can't harm you. The bad fats are trans fats. So ghee is amazing, right? I mean, I'm not sure if you know, but ghee is the best form of fat you can get. Or let's say paneer, उसमें अच्छा fat भी, अच्छा protein भी है, ठीक है? In isolation, they both are good, but वही पनीर के ऊपर मैं बेसन और मसाला लगा के वही घी के अंदर डीप फ्राई करूंगा ना, तो वो ट्रांस फैट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. And that is bad for you. मक्खन अमेजिंग, पर मक्खन में तुम अंडा फ्राई या आलू पराठा बना के खाओगे, that's bad. So there is a difference there. अभी हम इतना डिटेलिंग में जा नहीं सकते हैं. If you guys are more interested about it, I conduct these workshops a lot, like very frequently. You guys can check me out on Instagram and you will get to know more details about it. But you have to start consuming healthy fats. It's extremely important. Simplest step would be कल से 30 ग्राम nuts खाना शुरू कर दो. Depending upon what's your affordability like, peanut से लेके तुम pistachio, almond, अखरोट तक जा सकते हो. It's the simplest thing. 30 grams of nuts. बाकी जो भी तुम खाना घर पे बन रहा है ना, I'm not sure how much you have a say, क्योंकि मम्मी और पापा are the heads of the kitchen. I'm not sure, but कभी तुम मम्मी से बात करवा सकते हो मेरी. मम्मी लोग को डॉक्टर लोग बड़े पसंद है, वो सुनते हैं उनकी. So you can, okay. So 30 ग्राम nuts तो you guys can, right? Peanuts खाने में तो क्या ही जाता है, लाइक 80 रुपए के किलो आते हैं. 24 दिन चलेंगे वो. 30 ग्राम निकालोगे रोज का. ठीक है, काफी पॉकेट मनी फ्रेंडली सुझाव दे रहा हूँ, एकदम किफायती. प्लीज स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. बट आई विल बी सेंडिंग यू द लिस्ट ऑफ हेल्दी फैट्स एज वेल. 2 डन. ऑसम. थर्ड एंड द लास्ट वन, जो मैं सेरोटोनिन की बात कर रहा था ना, सेरोटोनिन करके जो हार्मोन है, ये बाकी के सारे हार्मोन है ना, सेरोटोनिन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट मेंटेन्स योर वेलबींग. तो जो तुम अच्छा फील कर लेते, तुम्हारे एग्जाम में पास हो गए और तुम बहुत खुश हो, और वो अच्छी हैप्पी वाली फीलिंग है ना, उसको मेंटेन करने का काम सेरोटोनिन का. वो डिप नहीं जाने देगा. डिप्रेशन जो हमने नाम सुना है ना बहुत, डिप्रेशन का डेफिनेशन में ही है कि जहां पे तुम्हारी बॉडी में सेरोटोनिन के लेवल्स घट जाते हैं. That's where the depression comes. So तुम्हें लाइफ में कुछ लाइक सब कुछ चिल चल रहा है, अच्छा चल रहा है, but you feel shit because your serotonin levels are down. My question is, what's your guess? सेरोटोनिन तुम्हारी बॉडी में कहां से रिलीज होता होगा?
Brain?
It's a logical guess, right? It's a logical guess. Unfortunately, it's not true. Abhishek, stomach is not true either. It gets released from your intestines. 95% of your serotonin gets released from your intestines, and you are like, how does it even really matter? कहीं से भी रिलीज हो रहा है, हमारे बाप का क्या जाता है, राइट? बट देयर इज द कैच, देयर इज दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. एंड जब तुम्हें वो साइकिल पता चलेगा ना, यू विल बी लाइक, यार ये तो उमेश ने आके डरा दिया हमें. बट मैं डरा नहीं रहा हूँ. लाइक सिंगर किंग में ना, एक देयर इज वेरी पॉपुलर लाइन फ्रॉम अक्षय कुमार के, हम डरा नहीं रहे, हम तो सच बोल रहे हैं. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज. लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंस इन योर बॉडी, राइट? सेरोटोनिन गेट्स रिलीज फ्रॉम योर इंटेस्टाइन. नाउ हमें बचपन से बताया गया है ना कि भाई शुगर खाना बुरा है. लाइक ज्यादा शुगर खाओगे तुम्हारे दांत सड़ जाएंगे से लेके मोटे हो जाओगे, तुम्हें बहुत सारे कीड़े पड़ेंगे, ये होगा वो होगा. वी हैव हर्ड अ लॉट. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट शुगर? मीठा, रिफाइंड शुगर, ये सारा नहीं खाना चाहिए. तो कोई बताता नहीं है कि वो अंदर जाके करता क्या है. तुम्हारे इंटेस्टाइन के वॉल्स पे है ना, there are billions and billions of bacteria. उनको हम बोलते हैं गट फ्लोरा. उनमें से 85% गुड होना चाहिए, 15% बैड होना चाहिए. दोनों जरूरी हैं फॉर डाइजेस्टिंग योर फूड. डिफरेंस ये है कि 85% जो अच्छे वाले बैक्टीरिया है ना, दे थ्राइव ऑन गुड हेल्दी फूड, एंड 15% है ना, दे थ्राइव ऑन रिफाइंड शुगर. तो अगर तुम्हारी मम्मी ने तुम्हें बोला है ना कि बचपन के तो इतना मीठा खाती है ना, पेट में कीड़े पड़े हुए हैं, कीड़े, दैट्स व्हाट शी मेंट, बिकॉज योर इंटेस्टाइन्स हैव बैड बैक्टीरिया. दे स्ट्राइव और थ्राइव ऑन रिफाइंड शुगर. अभी होगा क्या, तुम्हारे सेरोटोनिन को इंटेस्टाइन में से रिलीज होने के लिए वो 85-15 का बैलेंस होना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर वो 15% बढ़ के 60-70% हो गया और वो 85 अच्छे वाले कम हो गए, तो तुम्हारा सेरोटोनिन लेवल सही से रिलीज नहीं होगा. सो अगर तुम बहुत शुगर खा रहे हो तो तुम क्या कर रहे हो, वो बुरे वाले बैक्टीरिया को फीड कर रहे हो, उनका क्वांटिटी बढ़ा रहे हो. उससे होगा क्या, तुम्हारा सेरोटोनिन लेवल कम होगा. उससे होगा क्या, तुम्हारा मूड अपसेट होगा, यू वोंट फील गुड. जब भी हमारा मूड खराब होता है तो वी डोंट रीच आउट टू सैलेड, what do we reach out to? Maggie, brownie, chocolate, biscuit, ice cream, kurkure, burger, again loaded with sugar. वापस से शुगर जाएगा तुम्हारी बॉडी में, बुरे वाले बैक्टीरिया को फीड करेगा, इंटेस्टाइन को खराब करेगा, सेरोटोनिन का लेवल कम होगा, तुम्हारा मूड खराब होगा, वापस से तुम शुगर खाओगे, वापस से तुम्हारा, डू यू सी द सर्कल? You see the circle, and it's extremely important to understand. It's extremely important for you to understand. And I am not sitting here on a high horse telling you कि ये सब खाना बंद कर दो, because we don't live on a Himalaya, right? हम टेंट बांध के मंक बन के नहीं बैठे हुए हैं जहाँ पे बाहर निकले तो कोई टेम्पटेशन नहीं है. यहाँ पे हम रियल प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ जी रहे हैं, which is not ideal. हमें बाहर जाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, हमारे फोन्स पे टेम्पटेशन होता है. सुबह 4:30-5 बजे जिम जाने से पहले मैं वर्कआउट का वीडियो देखने के लिए यूट्यूब खोलता हूँ ना, तो भाई साहब मेरे को 45% डोमिनोज पे ऑफ दे रहे होते हैं. एंड आई एम लाइक, मैं गांव में रहता हूँ, मेरे 400 किलोमीटर के आसपास डोमिनोज नहीं है, क्यों टेम्पटेशन दे रहे हो मेरे को? But so I'm not saying that you stop consuming all these things. I'm saying consume what is harming your body, but at the same time consume what your body needs. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम शुगर पे ऊपर जा रहे हैं, पर हेल्दी फैट्स और हेल्दी प्रोटीन्स को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं. So if you start doing this, ये अपने आप मिनिमाइज होगा, and that's where the balance will start, and your mental health will be on a optimal stage. बाकी जो तुम्हारे जो छोटे छुटपुट इमोशंस है ना, कि एग्जाम आ रही है तो तुम्हें स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, या बॉस से बात करनी है और तुम्हें थोड़ा टेंशन हो रहा है, या गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड से कुछ फड्डा हो गया एंड यू आर फीलिंग अपसेट, या व्हाटएवर, इट्स नॉर्मल है ना. हैप्पीनेस इज नॉट अ यूनिवर्सल, और यू शुडंट बी एक्सपेक्टिंग बीइंग हैप्पी थ्रू आउट. अगर तुम थ्रू आउट हैप्पी हो तो कुछ लोचा है. लाइक तुम अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को घुमाने के लिए लेके जा रहे हो बाहर, और कोई आके उसके साथ फ्लर्ट करने की ट्राई कर रहा है, यू शुड फील एंग्री एट दैट टाइम. यू कांट बी हैप्पी. You have to cherish all your emotions at that time. That's what I'm trying to say. But अगर optimal mental health चाहिए तो that's where the nutrition part comes in. First, raw material theory. 2, your environment जो healthy fat से आएगा, and 3, तुम्हारे gut का तुम्हें ध्यान देना है. Sugar consumption कम करना है, but वो naturally होने लगेगा as soon as you start consuming your healthy fats and healthy protein. ठीक है? So this was the connection between mental health and nutrition. I'm open to questions, but before I go for the questions, I just want to know how did you find the session? Did you all enjoy it? Rahul is asking, we can't be happy. No, you don't have to be. That's what I'm trying to say. Rahul, you can be if you want to, but you don't have to be. There is a reason why we have different emotions, right? Anger, frustration, sadness, people cry. It's everything is needed. Nice. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Too much sunshine and desert. Okay, so thank you so much for your warm and kind words. I'm open for questions. I have another session in 10 minutes, but we will keep it really quick. So first question is from Abhishek. How do we consume makhan and malai in best way possible? Is it possible to consume that daily basis? You can, Abhishek. You can consume makhan and malai every day if you want to. But as I said, I can't give you a specific quantity here without knowing your current triglyceride and cholesterol levels. That's the problem. So the best way would be to have, you can cook things in your makhan and have malai wala doodh. I'll send you the list via email, which can be distributed to all of you. Okay? List आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा. Veggies in pasta, Maitri, yes. Why not? Why not? Sugar also says yes. Sugar is associated with dopamine. When you consume sugar, your body releases dopamine. But it's a bad cycle because dopamine is associated with reward. शुगर खा के तुम कोई झंडे नहीं गाड़ रहे हो, why are you receiving a reward? है ना, there is nothing, why are we taking a reward? You are messing up with your dopamine cycle. Abhishek is asking, is pizza a good option to increase weight? It is a good option to increase fat, Abhishek. It's not a good option to increase weight. When we talk about increasing weight, we are talking about increasing muscle, not fat. So muscle gain के लिए pizza is not a good option. Fat बढ़ जाएगा तुम्हारा. How to maintain the perfect good bad gut bacteria ratio? Devraj, you have to start consuming pre and probiotics. It's a complicated. Yeah, Devraj, thank you. Kefir is one of the options. So probiotics are healthy bacteria that you consume from your food. Dahi, kefir, chas is the easiest way you can consume it. And prebiotics are the food for these good bacteria, which is your good proteins, good fats, and good fiber wala khana. How to maintain the perfect ho gaya? I usually avoid green veggies like beans. Does this affect the metals? Yes, Ronak, because there is another fourth layer to it, which is your vitamins and minerals. तो हमने बोला ना कि raw material is your protein, healthy fats is the lubrication and machine को अच्छा environment देता है. Serotonin is the machine जहाँ से निकल रहा है, like gut. But then हर machine को manage करने के लिए कुछ supervisor होता है ना, catalyst, कि making sure everything is working fine. Vitamins and minerals are your catalyst or supervisor, make sure everything is working fine. Vitamin B complex is very good, very important for your mental health. And that's where green veggies and fruits come in really handy. So if you're not consuming enough green veggies, it can affect your mental health. Rahul, cheap, हमारे जितने भी अच्छे फूड है ना वो सारे चीप हैं और वो इंडियन ही है और पूरी दुनिया में जाके वो महंगे हैं. सो हल्दी वाला दूध हम बरसों से पीते आ रहे हैं. स्टारबक्स टर्मरिक लाते करके 400 रुपए चार्ज कर रहा है उसका. सुपर फूड. Aman, I'm sure you would be expecting some sort of number based on the BMI and all that, but my approach towards body weight is completely different. Completely different. There is no specific number for you depending upon your height and age and whatever. Regardless what your body weight is. Have you all watched the film Tamasha? तमाशा मूवी देखिए. नहीं देखिए तो देखना. वो मूवी के फैन बेस अलग है और उस मूवी में जो मिरर सीन्स है ना उनका फैन बेस अलग है. What I want you to do is I want you to talk to yourself in the mirror. See if you look fine to you. Like if you look at yourself and you're like, okay, I'm happy the way I look. Second question should be, can I do all the activities with ease? मुझे दिन में जो कुछ भी करना है. Am I okay? Like मेरे को बस पकड़ने भागना है, grocery लेके आना है, सीढ़ियाँ चढ़. Am I okay doing all these activities without going out of breath or something? मुझे energy levels lack तो नहीं कर रहे. Find out whether your body weight is the result of that. ठीक है? अगर वो connection दिख रहा है तो you do something about your body weight. Otherwise तुम्हारा जो भी body weight है ना in numbers, it doesn't really matter. Because I work with 3 modeling agencies, their bodies you would dream for. Like, but they do sit in one-on-one session with me and cry about so many things because they are not happy here. So the most important part is you being okay here with yourself. बाकी की सारी चीजें साइड पे रखनी है. ठीक है? So a lot of trainers would tell you कि तुम्हारा height और age के हिसाब से तुम्हारा है ना ये इतना होना चाहिए. It doesn't really matter. It can be controversial, but it doesn't really matter. I'm telling you. Okay, 5 more minutes. Shall we do a quick selfie?
Yes, sir, sure.
Let's all start the cameras just for like 2 minutes. Ronak, if you consume fast food on daily basis, fast food is nothing but rich in sugar food, है ना? So that is going to affect your intestines and that is going to affect your mental health. So try staying away from it. and see the change for yourself. And मैंने जैसे briefly पहले बोला था कि it's not about nutrition, or right nutrition is not always about what you should not consume. Right nutrition is about what you should consume. पहले तुम ये कर लोगे ना, फिर साथ में should not वाला आया ना तो एक बार चल जाएगा. But you are just doing should not, और जो should है उसको side पे रखा है. That's where the whole problem starts. Did I say a lot? Should, shouldn't? Okay, let's go.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi, Harsh.
I've got a question, sir. Yeah, sir. Actually, if as the food we have should be very rich in nutrients. So if we have too much of food, so it's quite.
Can't hear you, Harsh. If we have what?
So if we have too much of food to get, it's quite hard to digest it again, sir.
Harsh, again, your voice is breaking.
Hello?
Can you type it?
Sir, I'm quite in a place. Hello? Is it clear?
It is, but बीच में क्या drop हो रहा है?
Hello?
I can't. Yes, please.
So what am I saying is, whatever food we have, means too much of food will take too much of exercises to burn the food, to burn the calories out of it.
Okay, so it's
Hello?
not about Harsh, I got your question. I got your question. It's not about too much food. It's about eating what your body requires and eating right. And how do you find out whether what amount of food your body requires? It's literally your hunger and appetite ka signal. So whenever you feel hungry, that's where your body is lacking nutrients, and that's what your body's call is. कि बाबा मेरे को भूख लगा है, मुझे कुछ खाना दो. है ना? And at that point, if you eat right, you won't feel hungry very frequently. But if you have something junky, you will feel hungry in an hour. And you know both the differences. So, by the way, nutrition is काफी interesting. Like, do just stay in touch with me. You will learn a lot around nutrition, because I talk with youngsters a lot about this thing. This is your age. 15 से 25 साल, 30 साल is the age which will decide how your mental health is going to be like and how your physical health is going to be like post 30. If you don't look out for your nutrition and fitness right now. So, कहाँ गया? MSG impact on mental health. MSG has impact on your overall health, not specifically on mental health, but overall health पे है तो there is no direct connection, to be honest. Monosodium glutamate. Sometimes we consume. I have to leave now. Sorry. I'll just quickly take a selfie. And I have to shoot off. Otherwise, I'll be late for my other session. All right. Are we all set? Are we all set? On a count of 3.
Yes.
Okay. आगे सब लोग.
So we have also one innovative for you. So you can take this one also in the selfie.
Okay. Okay. तो सब लोग हम दिखेंगे नहीं. But all right, we'll try. We will do पहले सब लोगों के
So you can.
साथ selfie.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Yeah. All right.
I'll remove this.
Yeah. And then we'll do that. Okay. All right. On a count of 3 and 2 and 1. Let's go. Awesome. Let's go. One more. कहाँ गया वो? We had that thing. Chitrang, you can share the screen.
Chitrang,
Okay, sir.
Levante.
Yeah. Just a second.
Go.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Once again. 3 and 2 and 1. Amazing. All right, it's time to say thank you and goodbye, everyone. you look after yourself, and my LinkedIn ID is right there if you want to give it a go there, and I'll leave my Instagram handle as well. So if you use Instagram, do check that out. Do share your feedback with me. ठीक है? Take care. Bye bye. ध्यान रखो अपना सब. Bye bye.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
बोलने का मौका ही नहीं मिला यार लास्ट.
स्टार्टिंग में बहुत फास्ट हो गया था ना शायद, मतलब मैंने सब बिगाड़ दिया. ना अच्छा था.
नहीं, nothing. अच्छा किया समीक्षा.
Thank you, Abhishek.
और ये सब